How to enable ChatGPT voice on your phone. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily have a conversation with ChatGPT on your voice. First thing first, open up your Google Play Store. And here you're just going to have to go ahead and search for ChatGPT and make sure that you have the latest version of the app. As you can see here, I have this open button, but if you have an update button here, just go ahead and update the app. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open up ChatGPT, you can just go ahead and create a new chat by tapping on the top left and then tap on the new chat option. Now, here you can type in your normally by your keyboard, and if you want to access the voice command, you can just tap on this voice option right besides the mic, and it will get you right inside the voice chat. So, let me just tap here. Now, once you get on this chat, you can just start speaking anything. So let me just say something like, "Hello, what's up?"
Yeah, exactly. Hello, what's up with you? Feeling chatty today?
So that's how ChatGPT will respond to you when you talk to it. And you can also go ahead and change its voice and customize different kind of settings as well.
Yeah, you're totally right. You can tweak the voice, the style, even the vibe, depending on what you're feeling. Are you trying out different settings right now?
So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.